Hey, what's up everybody? Today's video is going to be tech related. So back in September of 2017, I reviewed this product right here. This is the Comica CVM-VM10-K1. It's a shotgun microphone. It's a little small shotgun microphone. It's kind of like the Rode VideoMic Go. And the cool thing about this is that it works with both your smartphone and your camera. So it came with two different cables and you can use them whenever you want it. And I thought it was a really good microphone. If you want to see the full review that I did on this microphone, including some audio samples, either click the card that's right here on the screen or go down into the description of this video and click on that link, and that's going to take you to the full review. In the beginning of that review, I told you that the only thing that you get is the microphone and microphone related accessories, but you don't get the handle, you don't get the grip, you don't get everything that you see here in this picture. Well, my friends, that has all changed because now we have this. And this is the Comica CVM-VM10-K1. And this is a complete on-the-go mobile audio recording kit. So when you're out and about and you want to capture some good audio and you want your footage to be as stable as possible, this is definitely going to help you. Now, both of these products can be found on Amazon. The microphone by itself is going to cost $50, $49.99, and if you want the complete kit, it's going to cost you $69.99. So it's going to cost you around $20 more for this complete kit. And I'm going to show you everything that comes in the kit. Now, when you open up that box, you're going to get this. This is a cool little carrying pouch, and I'm glad that they included this with it. They also included a cool case with the microphone by itself, so you can keep all of your things in order. And inside of this case, you're going to get every single thing that you need to get up and running. So the first thing that you're going to get is going to be this cable right here. And this is the cable that you're going to connect to your phone. It even has a little tag on here that says for smartphone. I was going to say to smartphone, but it says for smartphone. And the thing to remember about this is it's not either or. You have to put a specific end into your smartphone. So the gray end goes into the smartphone and the black end goes into the microphone itself. If you do it the opposite way, you're not going to hear anything. It's not going to work. The other thing that you're going to get, just like with the standalone mic, is the dead cat windscreen. So if you're shooting something and it's really, really windy outside, that's what you're going to use in order to sort of cancel out all that wind noise. And then you're going to get, of course, the microphone. So like I said, this is the same thing, the CVM-VM10-K1. It's the exact same microphone. It comes with this shock mount already installed on it. But here are the different things. First thing you're going to get here is this smartphone holder. It says ViewFlex on it. It's the ViewFlex video grip, and this is what you're going to actually put your smartphone into. And then on the top and the bottom, you see it's got these different threads. One of them is going to be for you can put it like on a tripod if you wanted to, and then the other end is going to be for screwing in this handle. Now this is a metal handle. This is plastic, but this right here is metal, and on this it says ViewFlex. And you see you have this little screwy bit right here on the top, and what you do is you just screw it right into the bottom, you know. So you just twist it, you know, like it's a camera going on a tripod or something like that. So you just twist it like that, and then there you go. You can put your smartphone inside of here. It fits a bunch of different phones, so if you have a rather large phone like a Galaxy S8 or something like that, or even if you have a small phone, this should work. Now, here's a little thing about this. And a lot of these smartphone stability holders usually is spring operated, which means all you have to do is just sort of pull it and then it widens, you put your phone in it, and then it clamps down. But this is different. This is a little screwy knob on the top, and what you have to do is just twist, 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 and gradually, not as fast as I would like for it to be, but gradually you can see it gets taller and taller and taller. And then that allows you to take your smartphone and you can put it in. Now for this phone, I'm going to have to keep on twisting this thing so it can be tall enough. And when I'm done, I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's put inside of this holder. It's not the fastest process in the world, but once you get finished screwing everything in, this is what it looks like. You got your phone inside of here, and it's very, very stable. It's not going to come out. Sometimes the spring ones, even though I found them to work pretty well, if you want a little extra peace of mind, this is what you're going to need. It's not touching the screen, so you don't have to worry about it scratching the screen. I still have the case on here, so the sides are protected, and it's just down in here very tightly. It's not going to come out, not without an excessive amount of force. So we got that there, and now it's time to attach the microphone. Right here, we got this cool little placement right here, because this is a cold shoe adapter. So all you have to do is just slide this in like that, and then twist the little knob on top of the microphone or the bottom of the microphone in order to secure it. So when you're out and about and you're doing your videos, you got the camera turned like this, and if you want to do some commentary, you can just be recording all your stuff and the microphone is facing your face so that you will be picked up very nice and clear. But on the opposite side, let's say that you're talking to other people and you're not talking yourself and you don't want your audio to be picked up, just turn it around. And then you can just go around and you're talking to someone and you got the mic facing them. So it faces in two different directions. Then at that point, all you do is take the microphone cable, plug that in like that, and take the other end and plug it right into the phone. You see, it's not in the way. It looks very cool, looks very profesh, and you still have this little thread at the bottom. So if you have like a monopod or just some type of extender, a selfie stick, something that you can screw into the bottom of this in order to get like a longer grip, you can do that. So you have all these different variety, you have all these different options. Now, because this is the exact same microphone that I reviewed before, I'm not going to do a full review again because it's the exact same microphone. So again, go down in the description of this video if you want to see the full on review about this microphone. But I am right now going to put in a clip or two of me just going out and about and just showing you how the stabilization is with this video grip and the microphone attached to it and plugged into the phone. So everything you're going to hear is coming from this mic, and all the footage is going to be shot while I'm holding this in my hand. And when that's over, the video will be over too. So check out that footage. Thank you so much for watching this. And again, you can find this on Amazon and it is $69.99.
All right, so really quick here, I'm just walking along my backyard area, looking at all these woods, and this is just going to give us a little bit of an idea of how the stabilization works when we have this my phone connected to this handle. And I got the microphone plugged in, I'm using that as well, and I'm just going to be walking as normal. And this should give you a pretty good idea of how things are going to be. So the microphone is quite close to my face, not quite touching, and it is starting to get a little bit darker outside. That's how it's going to be. I do have optical image stabilization turned on from the camera itself inside the phone, so that definitely does help, but the added stability from the handle should also give me just a little bit more stability. So that's it. Talk to you guys later.